Hello, my students in 6th grade. How are you? Hope you are all very well. Today we are going to take action back activity book. So please open your activity book. Page 55. Page 55. We have exercise 5. Read and complete. Read and complete. We have some words here in the box. Objects, metal, stone, bottles, clay, and years. So again we have objects, أشياء, metal, معدن, stone, حجر, bottles, زجاجة, clay, طين, years, سنوات. We have the text here about the Petra Museum. So the text that we will read it now about the Petra Museum. متحف البتراء. I am doing a project about the collection of objects in the Petra Museum. People lived in this city 6,500 years ago. The Romans came here 2,000 years ago. Today, there are more than 600 in the museum. So let's read the paragraph again. I'm doing a project about a collection of objects in the Petra Museum. أنا أقوم بعمل مشروع عن مجموعة التحف اللي موجودة في متحف البتراء. إذن مشروعي عن مجموعة الأشياء والتحف اللي موجودة في متحف البتراء. People lived in this city 6,500 years ago. الناس عاشوا في هاي المدينة قبل 6,500 سنة. إذن الناس عاشوا في مدينة البتراء قبل 6,500 سنة. The Romans came here 2,000 years ago. الرومانيين جاءوا للبتراء قبل 2000 سنة. So again, the Romans came here 2,000 years ago. الرومانيين جاءوا للبتراء قبل 2000 سنة. Today, there are more than 600 in the museum. في يومنا الحالي there are more than يوجد أكثر من 600 in the museum. Now we will choose the suitable word from the box here. رح نختار الكلمة المناسبة to complete the sentence لنكمل فيها الجملة. Here we have objects, metal, stone, bottles, clay, years. أكيد رح نحكي إنه في بالمتحف أكثر من 600 تحفة أو أكثر من 600 غرض. So we will write objects. So again, today there are more than 600 objects in the museum. In the first room of the museum, there is a collection of statues. These are my favorite statues. So again, in the first room of the museum, في أول غرفة في المتحف, there is a collection of statues. يوجد مجموعة من التماثيل. What's the meaning of statues? التماثيل. إذن بأول غرفة موجود مجموعة من التماثيل. These are my favorite statues. هذه التماثيل المفضلة لدي. They are made of. I think they are very beautiful. They are made of. من إيش مصنوعة التماثيل? So look here we have metal, stone, or clay. Of course we will write stone because دائما التماثيل يا سادس بتكون مصنوعة من الحجارة. So here we have they are made of stone. إذن معظم التماثيل بتكون مصنوعة من الحجارة. They are made of stone. حتى تكون هي أقوى بصنعوها من الحجارة. I think they are very beautiful. So the answer number 3 stone. إذن هذه التماثيل المفضلة لدي مصنوعة من الحجارة. There is a collection of pots too. There is a collection of pots too. يوجد مجموعة من الأواني أيضا. These and bowls are made of clay and they are very heavy. These بدنا نحكي عن غرض معين and bowls. So of course we will choose bottles. These bottles هذه الزجاجات and bowls are made of clay. والأوعية مصنوعة من الطين. And they are very heavy. وهم أيضا ثقيلين جدا. So the answer for number 4, bottles. Again, there is a collection of pots too. يوجد مجموعة من الأواني أيضا. These bottles and bowls. هذه الزجاجات والأوعية are made of clay. مصنوعة من الطين. And they are very heavy. وثقيلة جدا. They are about 2000 years old. عمرها تقريبا 2000 سنة. There are jugs made of two. يوجد أيضا أباريق مصنوعة من. دائما الأباريق بصنعوها من الطين. So there are jugs made of clay too. In the past, people used these jugs to carry water. في الماضي الناس استخدموا هذه الأباريق لحمل المياه. They put olives in jugs too. وأيضا وضعوا الزيتون في هذه الأباريق أيضا. So let's continue the last paragraph. In the third room, في الغرفة الثالثة من المتحف, there are smaller objects. يوجد الأشياء الأصغر. الأشياء الأصغر. This is a collection of coins. This is a collection of coins. اللي هي مجموعة العملات. مجموعة العملات. These coins are small and round. هذه العملات صغيرة وشكلها دائري. And they are made of metal. So they are made of metal. Again, we have 3 rooms. We have 3 rooms. The first room is a collection of statues. اللي هي مجموعة التماثيل. And they are made of stone. مصنوعين من الحجر. Now the second room, we have the collection of pots. مجموعة الأواني. And the bottles and the bowls are made of clay. They are heavy. And the jugs also are made of clay. In the third room, the coins are made of metal. So in the third room, we have a collection of coins. Now let's complete the blanks in exercise 5. So the answer for number 2, objects. Number 3, stone. Number 4, bottles. Number 5, clay. And the last one, metal. Let's answer now exercise number 6. Read and circle yes or no. We have number 1, people lived in Petra 6500 years ago. الناس عاشوا في البتراء قبل 6500 سنة. The answer is yes, so this is true. Number 2, there are 2000 objects in the Petra Museum. هل يوجد 2000 تحفة أو 2000 غرض في المتحف؟ So let's look here. We have there are more than 600 objects in the museum. So this is wrong because there are 600 objects in the Petra Museum. We will circle no. Number 3, the bottles and bowls are made of clay. So here we have the bottles and bowls are made of clay. So the answer here, true. We will circle yes. Number 4, in the past, people put olives in the clay bowls. Again, in the past, people put olives in the clay bowls. هل في الماضي الناس وضعت الزيتون في الأوعية اللي مصنوعة من طين؟ We said that in the past, people used these jugs to carry water. They put olives in jugs too. وضعوا الزيتون في الأباريق. So this answer is wrong. In the past, people put olives in the clay jugs, not bowls. So this is wrong. We will put a circle on no here. And the last one, there is a collection of toys in the museum. هل يوجد مجموعة من الدمى في المتحف؟ We said that there is a collection of statues, there is a collection of pots, and there is a collection of coins. A collection of coins. We didn't say that there is a collection of toys, so this is wrong. No. And that's all for the exercises in the activity book, exercise 5 and 6.